once again. I want a new intro. Wait. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl. It's your girl Momo. If you don't know, now you know. If my first stick with that intro, they let me know down below. Anyways, story time. Yo, this story time I got it all over the place because honestly I don't remember everything, and if you know me, you know that when I'm telling a story, the front, sometimes the back come first and then the front, and sometimes the front come first and then the back and then the middle. Yeah, it just all over the place. This story time I got it all over the place because I don't remember everything, and I feel like when I'm going to be talking, I'm going to be remembering things that happened earlier in the story that was supposed to say earlier in the story but wasn't said. So I'm gonna have to go back and be like, oh, and before that happened. Y'all get me? Okay. Anyways, as you can see by the title, story time of how I stole the meat from the pot. Listen, I'm not gonna tell her no lie, that meat there sweet. Anyways, I was about, I don't remember how old I was, but I was a child, a kid, and my grandma, she cooked. If y'all, baby, let me just say this. I feel like every Jamaican grandmother, once they eat them food, is like the best thing you ever eat in the world. Like when a grandmother cook is a different settings. Anyways, so my grandmother cook, right? Because we all the way live together, I live with a grandmother. So we're hungry. All the way hungry. My cousin, my auntie, we're hungry. So my grandmother cook. I think it was stew chicken. I think it was stew chicken. And we got the food, we ate, and I remember that night it was like coming on to Christmas, and there was cartoons in the night. Like, y'all remember those days when cartoon used to come on in the night and we were the happiest of kids? Like, cartoon at night on TV, we did happy. But anyways, still not eat the food, share up my food, everybody get them food. Me still not eating my food, and I watched a little cartoon with my cousin them. Some food don't know. I say no man, like 10 finger, sweet stuff. I'm going to my grandmother now. I'm like, grandma, we can get some more meat. And she said, no, what left in your pot? What left in the pot is for your mother. So when your mother come, when your mother come from work, you ask her and she will give you. I don't want to share out it out of fear and give you. When she come from work, you ask her and she will give you. So me couldn't wait because I know say by mom have come from work, either we asleep or me no bother want the food. So anyway, you know when it just sweet at the moment, although my grandmother puts her foot in other chicken. I don't know something about that chicken that I did that drove me to get out of the pot to the meat. Like, listen, hey, no more thing before we get to this. So, and me left everybody in the room. Now I'm going to the kitchen, and I'm going to the pot. I'm gonna take a piece of chicken. I'm gonna go under the table of the kitchen, and I eat the meat. So I guess I hear somebody call me, so I stop because I say I don't want them coming out the kitchen and see me or whatever. So I stop freezing at the moment with the chicken in my hand. My auntie coming out the kitchen now. I don't know why she feel like so she feel check under the table. She just fast. Anyway, she go and check under the table and she see me. excitement. When we talk about excitement, excitement, like the people them so my excitement in the house, you know? Excitement. She call everybody. See them come on follow me. Trouble me. Hey, me shame. But you know when I shame, I don't want to look no way, so you just start laugh with them too. So I start laugh with them. Them trouble me. Them start call me rat, thief, all sort of stuff. Them start call me like, y'all don't even understand. But I don't know. My grandmother did put something in that chicken that day because I'm not thief. It was a thief for like a mile and like a Alaska. But other than that, I'm not thief, me out apart. Until that very day though. I don't know ever because you know when you're hungry and food just nice when you're hungry. All when it tastes bad. Not saying my grandmother food it tastes bad because my grandmother a big chef. But I don't know something about that meat that day the man. I don't know something about that meat there that very day like I still a taste it. It's like I don't know. I forgot to ask my grandmother what should we put in the meat that day there. Because after that day we never really talk about it again. I don't remember if we talked about it, but I'm pretty sure we didn't because I'm pretty sure that I would remember. But anyways, yeah. That is the end of the story. Now I know that my aunt will be watching this, Julian. If you watch this, I reach here say another video. Why am I say if you reach here? You must reach here say another video. So comment down below if you remember anything that I've missed out, and I'll pin your comment so everybody can see it. Yeah. So yeah, that is it. It's a very short story time. Yes, I know. But I just figured that I'll come and embarrass myself, I guess. Anyway, I don't think this is embarrassing because I think a lot of us have done this. Like, a whole heap with thief chicken, put in our pockets and run out of the kitchen when the parents are cooked. So, it's nothing to be embarrassed about. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share, and ensure that you subscribe and click the bell so you won't miss an upload. I'm doing like 3 videos today, so yeah, you're probably gonna see this outfit more than once on this channel. Well, you are going to be, but more than once in the same, like after one another. Yeah, so bye. Lock off, no? Try.